Manasvi means wise. When I was a child, this was not the case. I never used to like my name because, apparently it sounds like a girly name, a bit of Kyuki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi and all of that, but I was not into TV at all. But yeah, I am a part of TV now. Really, you would either see her eating some Gujarati meals or you would see her on her phone. And I was very ashamed कि भाई, pre-nursery, कि बच्चा अभी मतलब बस बोलना सीखता है. And this is the first thing a child does, and they thought that I would grow up to be a gunda or something. दरअसल रोहित किसी एक्शन में नहीं मारा जाता, बल्कि उसे मार दिया जाता. I'm a very shy guy, Even if I feel that someone is showing any sort of interest in me, I would start sweating. I mean, it so happens with me. I had stage fear, and the first time I got on stage was in college. When we had a small band. Mahiyana aya mera, mahiyana aya, mahiyana aya mera, mahiyana aya, Ranjana aya mera, mahiyana सब उल्टा मामला है ना.
मुस्काने झूठी है, पहचाने झूठी है.
Hi,
Hi, Jiha. How are you?
I'm good, Manasvi. How are you doing?
I'm good too. Absolutely fine.
तो कैसा चल रहा है भाई आज pandemic के दौरान the shooting and everything has resumed. Now you are in the thick of things, and I believe ये आपका lunch break है, right? You're shooting today.
Yes, this is my lunch break, but for you, it's my coffee break. So,
Yeah. Cheers to you with my cup of coffee as well. So, yeah, I was talking about the show, but before I go to any of that, हम उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. What interested me, to interview you is your name. I am honestly telling you that. So you have to first begin by telling me the meaning of your name. It's a beautiful name. What does it mean?
oh yeah. So, Manasvi means wise, and like I think I am wise. I mean, I would like to say that I'm wise. And when I was a child, this was not the case. I never used to like my name because apparently it sounds like a girly name, and we have there are a few girls that the people have this notion that all these names which end in an e, they become girly. I just don't know why.
Yeah.
So क्या होता था कि in college, when a lecturer would take the attendance and they would say my name for the first time, they would expect a girl to get up and say yes. So yeah, that was the problem for me. So I used to get very conscious, and I would stand up and they would say, "Oh, Yoma, oh, that's your name." So yeah, so I used to get embarrassed, and but I sort of started liking my name. जब मैं थोड़ा बड़ा हुआ और जब मुझे थोड़ा दिमाग आया, because I just realized कि at least it's not a common name like Rohan, Raju, Raj, and like Manoj and all of that. So it's a unique name. It's not a commonly heard of name, right? So.
Okay. So Manasvi, I'm told that you left your high-flying corporate IT job to actually come down to become an actor. So I don't believe that there is an acting background in your family. You come from a completely different background. I believe you are from Haryana. Where are you from? Ambala?
Yes, Ambala.
So how did this shift? And when you actually broke the news down to your parents, what was their reaction like? And I love hearing stories like this, and that's why I eventually keep asking this to all my guests. But it's very interesting when you actually tell your parents कि मुझे actor बनना है. This is not what I want to do. I want to go to Bombay, become an actor. So what was it like for you?
So it was a very, I would say, tough time for me because I had already been working since last 7-8 years, and I was like, I believe you never get settled. There is nothing as settled, as such. So, but they feel that you're settled. You've been working there since last 7 years, and I understand. It's a bit hard for you to leave, a job where you're getting a very steady income, right? And then go to get into a world like this, especially with no connections and no background. So they were very scared. They were a little apprehensive, and they told me that they don't feel that I'm taking the right call. But they also said that like I'm at an age where they feel I should be making my own decisions. So I won't say that they didn't support me, but they were not very enthusiastic about this. But yes, when they saw me on TV for the first time, they were very happy. So yeah.
So Ishq Mein Mar Jawan is your first, it's your acting break. And the show is doing wonders. So it's like a dream come true for anybody who actually makes a foray into this industry. How did it happen? How did people come down to zeroing in on you to play Aryan Singh, your role? And, what was it like? Because I believe you also modeled part-time, or was it like a full-time thing for you?
No. I model part-time. But I didn't model a lot. Like I didn't do many ads. I think I had done just a couple of ads, back in Bangalore. So I think I was very fortunate. I mean, I just got very lucky, and somebody from Colors Channel had spot my Instagram profile, and they felt that I could fit into a role. So so they just reached out to me and they said, "Would you like to audition for this?" And I was really shocked because this was just coming from nowhere, and I was like, "How do you even know me?" And they said that, like I may not have time to explain how I found you, but if you would like to audition for this, it will be great. So I just auditioned for it, and things just fell in place, and they just called me to Mumbai for a couple of mock shoots, and it just, बहुत ही fast was up, in just a matter of 3 days, I got locked for this role, and then they're like, so शुरू में क्या था कि I was very, enthusiastic, like I should audition, and हो जाएगा तो अच्छा है, But then when I got selected, that was the tough time, because I'm like, do I go for this? Because see, everybody would want to be a hero. सीधा ये होता है कि you should get a lead role. तो मुझे लगा कि it's a good role, but it's not a lead role. So do I do that? Like, should I put everything at stake and go for it, or will I be making a bad call? But I just thought that even for someone to get this significant a role, it's really tough in Mumbai, especially when you don't know anybody. So there must be people who would, be here for like 3 years and, give so many auditions and then crack one out of them. So I just thought that this would give me some good exposure, and I think it would be a good start. It's for a good channel. The show, seems promising because their first season was a hit.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I obviously was not into TV much, but then I read about the show online and then I, figured out that the first season was a hit. So I thought that, I should go for this. And yeah, that's when I came.
Actually, ये मेरा दूसरा सवाल था. मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रही थी कि did you actually watch much of TV, when you'd not gotten into acting? कुछ भी ऐसा जो होता है ना, serials में you're hooked on to, because web series are a fad and people do watch it. But was it like that for you? Did you watch any TV?
No, not much. See, I remember watching TV back as a kid. I used to watch it with my dadaji or my mom. Like a bit of Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi and all of that. But yeah, as I grew up, of course, like I lost touch, and because you don't like that sort of drama, as you grow up, right? You would want to watch something which is a bit realistic and some web shows or some films, right? So yeah, I was not into TV at all. But yeah, I am a part of TV now.
What was your first acting, experience like? I'm not talking about just in front of the camera, but did you have any background back in school or college, theater, stage, anything of that sort?
No. No, nothing. I've not done anything when it comes to acting. You see, everything which I do is something which I feel I would have learned from just watching stuff, on TV, on TV
Achha.
or on yeah. मतलब वो देख के आगे थोड़ा सा, and I've never learned acting as such, or I've never done anything of any sort, with respect
So
to
not
acting.
even in school, like होता ना कि you just become part of a play and you're performing.
Oh,
nothing of
no.
that
I was a very shy guy,
Okay.
and I still am. Like I had stage fear, and I haven't much participated in in anything, in any of the co-curricular activities back in school. So I think the first time I got on stage was in college, when we had a small band, so
Oh, wow.
we just came up with this idea, yeah. So that was the first time I sang in front of an audience, and I was very nervous, and I still get nervous. Like if you ask me to get on a stage and say something, I would just, I won't be able to do that, I think, yeah. I would be
Okay,
very-
so you can sing. An actor who can sing. Now you're giving me all the scoop. So you have to sing something for me so that I know how well are you as a singer as well. And we get
No,
like
I
a little
don't-
bit of snippet.
I don't think I'm that good a singer. I mean, this was just an idea which just came out of nowhere, back in college, because I felt that, it would be a good chance for me to get rid of that stage fear. And I just thought, what is that one thing which I could possibly do on stage? Like decent stuff.
Right.
So maybe I could sing decent and let's just go with that. But sadly, it didn't work. I mean, I still have that stage fear, but yes, I mean, we got that small band formed.
हाँ,
So
तो
back
कौन
in-
सा गाना गाया था मनस्वी? मतलब मैं अभी भी वहां पे हूँ. What song did you sing?
No, okay. I sang. I think I sang Pani Da Rang there.
Okay. Why don't we have few lines? See, we got Rahul Sudhir on the show. He also sang for us. So it's
Oh
now
yeah,
your
yeah. We all,
time.
everybody is very talented here. Like everybody's got this singer in them. Rahul, Vishal, Zain. They all keep making videos. They all keep jamming, and I think I need to join them. Rahul is of course a very good singer too.
Yeah, yeah.
So, shall I sing a few lines for you?
Yes, please. Waiting.
माहिया न आया मेरा माहिया न आया माहिया न आया मेरा माहिया न आया रांझड़ा न आया मेरा माहिया न आया माहिया न आया मेरा रांझड़ा न आया अखां दा नूर देख के ਅੱਖਾਂ ਦਾ ਨੂਰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਚ ਹੰਝੂਰ ਨੇ
Wow, Manasvi, brilliant, yeah. I'm clapping for you. Brilliant. That's nice. Very sweet of you to do that, yeah. You're really sweet. But actually, with the fact that you sung in college, so वो stage fear थोड़ा बहुत तो कम हुआ होगा, I'm sure, and that must. I mean, you should.
Of course, yeah. I mean, when you do it for the first time, you feel कि अरे मैंने तो कुछ बहुत बड़ा तीर मार लिया. But I think I still have. In fact, when I'm going for these live interviews, I get very nervous. Like right before the interview, I would be very nervous. I would get like a bit of a stomach ache and like butterflies in my stomach. I don't know what to call it, but I still get nervous. Yeah.
Okay. So I believe you told me social media was responsible to actually land you this role for Ishq Mein Mar Jawan 2. So I want to ask you, and since you are on set and you are, obviously on your break right now, what is that vibe like? Like a daily vibe on an Ishq Mein Mar Jawan set. What is it like behind the scenes?
You mean the vibe in general on the set?
Yeah.
See, we have a very positive vibe here because, gladly, I mean, people keep telling me that at times, you get to work with actors who who get a bit cranky, when they're not, able to remember their lines or, when they get too tired. But fortunately, we have a bunch of great people here who have a great sense of humor, who are always energetic and, who always have, some good stuff to talk about. So the vibe in general on our set is very, very positive. Although we do, like most of the scenes that we do are around conspiracy and, negativity and all of that. But the vibe in general is very positive. Thanks to the entire crew and the cast.
So I want to know, if you are to sneak into the vanity vans of your cast members from Ishq Mein Mar Jawan, what is it that you're more likely to find them do? Rahul Sudhir.
He would be singing a song with Zen, and he would be playing the guitar as well.
Okay. Hailey Shah.
Hailey, you would either see her eating some Gujarati meals or you would see her on her phone.
Okay, all right. Vishal.
You would see Vishal on his phone mostly because, I've always found him on his phone whenever I've bumped into his room.
Okay. And Chandni?
Chandni, you would see Chandni doing some bizarre stuff all the time, she could be doing the silliest of stuff like, shouting, talking to her, talking to herself. She's a different personality altogether, like she's a part human, I would say. I don't think she's a human being.
Okay. All right. Now is my segment when I want you to actually hold your coffee cup before you finish your coffee or aapki coffee thandi ho jaye. This is my version of Never Have I Ever. I call it Sip and Spill. So ready?
Yeah.
Take a sip. If you are conscious about your hair or you spend more than the required time in front of the mirror.
Oh, I always do. I always do that. I always feel that, today it's not a good hair day. There are very rare times when I feel that it's a good hair day today because I always think, "Arey yaar, kuch kami reh gayi, kuch thoda sa, kuch yahan wahan hona chahiye tha." Yeah. So I'm very conscious about my hair.
Okay, this you pretty much answered. I just wanted to ask you, take a sip, if you are an introvert. So you actually claim to be one. Is that true? You are an introvert.
No, I won't say that I'm an introvert, but I'm slightly towards the introvert side, but I'm not an out and out introvert. I mean, I do
Yeah.
talk to people. I do like talking to people, but, generally I hesitate in initiating a conversation when I'm
Okay.
meeting someone for the first time, but when I get to know them, you can't stop me from talking. Yeah.
Okay, all right. So next one. Take a sip. If you have ever fumbled on your lines so much that you felt that, boy, am I going to set up a world record doing this? Has it ever happened?
I have, yeah. I have, and a lot of actors do that. At times it so happens that when you have a very long monologue, you would remember it all and you would say it in just one shot. And at times you would have a couple of words to say, and you would fumble so much that you feel कि ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा, like ये word आ ही नहीं रहा, कुछ अटक गया मुंह में, and you get stuck with that and you say it wrong every time. So it happens.
कोई ऐसा डायलॉग या कुछ आपको याद है जिसमें आपको लगा कि क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं यार? What is happening? Why am I not able to get it right?
I don't remember any dialogue as such as of now. No, I mean, it just happens, it can happen with any random word, For example, if I have to say a word like Vishwas, okay? So, if you say it in a flow with too many words which sound with V, so you tend to just slip on, this happens, at times. It's a very simple word though, but yeah.
Okay, all right. Take a sip. If you've ever gotten into a brawl.
I have never gotten into it.
You have not? Oh, you're a good boy.
Never. I think I've been nice to everybody in life, so nobody got pissed off at me. I think, oh yes, once. Okay.
You have. I would like to know what happened.
That's very, you would find this very interesting, of course, because I was in pre-nursery. Okay. It's my second day at school. And, nothing against anybody, but Sardarji was there in my class, and I opened up his Judy because I got pissed off at him.
Oh.
And I got beaten badly by my teacher.
Okay.
So that was the only that was my first and last time when I got into a brawl with someone. I think मुझे इतना याद नहीं हुआ क्या था, but then I mean my mom still tells me कि कि you did this, and I was very ashamed कि भाई pre-nursery कि बच्चा अभी मतलब बस बोलना सीखता है. And this is the first thing a child does, and they thought that I would grow up to be a gunda or something.
Oh shit.
But fortunately that's not the case. Yeah, and that was the last time I ever got into a brawl.
Okay, all right. So take a sip. Now's another one. Take a sip if you've ever written a love letter in your life.
No, I haven't.
Hey, seriously? Not even in school, college, nothing.
I don't think so. I've never written a love letter.
Okay, all right.
I remember getting a few though.
Yeah. You got a love letter.
Yeah, I got a few of them back in college.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice. That's interesting. I should have put that in. Okay. Take a sip if you have ever made a fool of yourself or gotten injured in trying to impress a girl.
No.
You've been smart that way.
Yeah, I've been very smart.
Okay, all right. Take a sip if you've been really very, very embarrassed when you realize that this girl is trying to hit on you. Suddenly you realized it.
You're trying to hit on me?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Yes, always, always.
What happens? You become flushed or something.
Yeah, so again, I see, somebody has tried to, I have got embarrassed. I'm a very shy guy, even if I feel that someone is showing any sort of interest in me, I would start sweating. I mean, it so happens with me. Yeah, that's the first reaction I have.
Okay, all right. The next one. Take a sip if you have ever been caught napping on your shoot set.
No, never. And I never take a nap. See, I only sleep at night. I've never slept in the afternoon. I'm not I just never fall asleep. I cannot, especially when I'm working. So the only space and the only place I can sleep and only time I can sleep is on my bed at night.
Okay. So now this, I'm adding this next one because of the comments that I see. Take a sip. If you can really mimic Hrithik Roshan, or you've come to know that you can mimic him well.
Oh yes, yes.
Do you get it often? Do you get it often that you look like him? Yeah, आपकी resemblance है. Do you get that often by people?
Yeah, so sort of. Yeah, I have been getting that since quite a while, and that's also because I think our vocal cords slightly match. So when I talk, thoda sa, I get halka sa like a touch of how he talks, and that's why it's very easy. It's like a cakewalk for me to mimic him.
So I want you to mimic Hrithik Roshan because we did not get that very clearly, and now I can see you all clearly. So the network is in our favor. So why not have that?
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. Let's do it. So पूछिए कुछ मुझसे भी आज I can answer to you exactly like Hrithik would. Please.
And you're also looking like pretty much like what Hrithik would. So that's something. Did you get that in college often? Manasvi?
I think. See, I've been a fan of his. I've grown up watching his films, and he is my favorite actor. He's been my favorite actor. I think that sort of has grown upon me. I mean, of course, you can't change the way you look, and you can't, like no matter how much you want to look, like someone, or you can't change your face, of course. But and I think that his style, maybe it has grown upon me. Watching his films a lot.
Yeah.
So I've always admired him, and he has magically grown upon me.
So any reference from his first film, maybe, from when Kaho Na Pyar Hai happened, or anything that you must have tried back then and you thought, okay, you can do it well?
Okay, yeah. So Kaho Na Pyar Hai, I think Kaho Na Pyar Hai was, I think it released in 2000, I think. I'm not sure about the year. And I was a kid. I was in school too, and that was the first film which I watched in a theater. उसके पहले मैंने theater में कोई movie देखी नहीं थी. So that movie was always very special to me because that was my first experience in a cinema hall.
Right.
So, and then yes, of course, I loved the film and I became sort of his fan. I mean, not a fan as such, but I really admired him. Like right. He's a good guy, and the way he does action and says his dialogues is very fancy. And then I think as I grew up and I watched more of his films, I think, like I sort of wanted to be like him, look like him, or, say my lines like him. And I think wo fir influence aa gaya, like as I grew up.
Okay. So I'm getting these requests, one dialogue, please, from the film or any of your favorite Hrithik Roshan dialogues, whatever it is. You can probably say.
This is a dialogue which I say a lot. I mean, because ये मेरा, एकदम से दिमाग में चढ़ जाता है because this is from Kaho Na Pyar Hai. So this is from if you remember the film, this is from the time, when he's doing his show, like when he's Raj and he's doing Rohit's show and he's pretending to be Rohit. So he's on the stage and he tells the audience that Rohit किसी accident में नहीं मारा गया. So this is how he says it.
Yeah.
दरअसल रोहित किसी accident में नहीं मारा गया, बल्कि उसे मार दिया गया.
Wow. अब इसी को हरियाणवी में बोल के बताइए आप. Since you come from Haryana.
So I come from Haryana, but my Haryanvi is not that good. मैं normal Hindi भी बात करता हूँ, back at home. But I know Haryanvi, of course. So I would try. I think इसमें कुछ हरियाणवी dialect के slang आ नहीं पाएगा, because okay, maybe. Okay, you mean in Hrithik Roshan's voice and in Haryanvi?
No, in Haryanvi. Okay. In Haryanvi.
Okay. रोहित किसी एक्सीडेंट में नहीं मारा गया था, उधर मार दिया गया था. That's how they would say it.
That was really nice.
Which is Hindi, but in a particular style, I would say.
Yeah, in a twang. Yeah. Thank you so much, Manasvi. You are such a sport, and all the best for your forthcoming projects and for Ishq Mein Mar Jawan too. You're doing really well. You have a lot of promise, and this was really, really lovely talking to you.
Thank you. It was really lovely talking to you as well, and you also carry that positive vibe with you with your smile, and I really enjoyed this conversation. Thank you.